Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to track financials on Monday.com. First thing you want to do is go here to where it says add this plus icon, click on it. Then you want to click on template center. Okay, so right here, we're going to search for a template. Right down here, you can see multiple templates that you can use for budgeting. We're just going to search for budget. All right, so this template right here is the one that we're going to use, high level marketing. Then you click on it. All right, you want to click on use template. All right, so as you can see, we have Q1, Q2, Q3, and then Q4. Okay, so whichever one you don't want or that you don't need, so what you can do is just click on here and then collapse sub items or collapse this group. Okay, so I'm just gonna click collapse this group, and you can actually delete it right here, so it's going to be kept in your trash for 30 days. All right, so what we can do here is you can rename this Q1 to let's say first year budget, and then let's say Q2 is monthly expenses. All right, so first year budget, you can rename some of these. Click here to read about this template. Okay, so this one says winter sales. Let's say first year budget, you can say let's say we need to reach 5,000 to save $5,000. All right, so right here it says reach monthly target. All right, so you can make it, is it a priority or a medium priority or a low priority event campaign? And as you can see right here, you can also delete. All you have to do is just right click and you can delete or you can archive this. Okay, so the second first year budget, you can just write some items that you will. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says 5,000 actual, so you can add more items. Okay, the expenses, let's say you want to say expenses for 4 months is 10K, $10,000. Goal is, maybe the goal is to not spend up to, and the priority high, so you can just do some settings the way you want. Okay, so right here it says, is it a campaign? Okay, so we need to say 5,000 on a virtual event, or is it a brand? And you can edit the labels. Okay, you can type in the labels, you can edit the labels. Okay, then is it paid ads, is it email campaign? Then you apply. So right here we have status. All right, so what is this running? Is it completed? Are we working on it? Are we stuck? So working on it. So expenses for 10 months, which we are not supposed to spend up to 10K. So are we working on it? Okay, so you can change and then edit some of this. So this is basically how you can use Monday.com to create your budget. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.